Today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate gluten-free pumpkin spice cake, a treat that will satisfy your sweet tooth without any guilt. But that's not it. I also show you how to make it 3 different ways. You can also make this non-gluten-free by substituting the gluten-free mix with a regular cake mix. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees or 163 Celsius, and grease a 10-inch or 25-centimeter pan. You can use a square pan or a round, actually any shape you want. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine 5 large room temperature eggs, 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of molasses, 1 15-ounce or 150 milliliter can of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix, but pumpkin puree. Add 3/4 cup or 100 milliliter of vegetable oil. Next, in a separate bowl, mix together 1 box of King Arthur gluten-free yellow cake mix. This is the part that makes it easy and simple. This quick recipe will take that King Arthur gluten-free yellow cake mix, 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon or 1.2 milliliters of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of pumpkin spice. Gradually add the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, stirring until well combined. Now, pour the batter into the greased cake pan, spreading it out evenly. Or follow my lead where I ended up doubling the recipe to make 3 different styles of pumpkin masterpieces. I put half into the 10-inch round, fill the loaf pan 2/3 full, and then finish filling the muffin tins with the rest. Bake in the preheated oven for 60 to 65 minutes, the 10-inch round. The cupcakes for about 23 minutes, and small loaf about 45 to 50 minutes. The center should be 210 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 98.9 to 100 Celsius. While that is baking, get the decadent frosting ready. Zest an orange on a Rasp grater. Do you have a Rasp grater? It's a must of any baker's kitchen. This rasp and this scale are vital tools in your kitchen. I dropped a link below for each of these. Level up your baking game with these tools. Whisk together 1/2 cup or 320 milliliters of unsalted room temperature butter and orange from earlier. Adding it in with the butter like this, working it in heats it up a bit and releases some of the flavor. Then, with 14-ounce or 394 grams of confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of Grand Marnier, and 1/2 teaspoon or 2.5 milliliters of salt. Last, whisk in the 8 ounces or 236.59 milliliters of softened Tillamook cream cheese. Whisk it until it's beautifully fluffy. Can you smell the Grand Marnier in this? Once the cake is cooled, spread the frosting generously over the top. For some extra flavor and a touch of autumn, sprinkle some cinnamon on it. This cake is not only incredibly delicious, but also packed with wholesome ingredients. Enjoy it guilt-free anytime. Pumpkin spice cake and that cream cheese frosting complement each other with a moist crumb and creamy topping. Enjoy this every day of fall. Which type will you try to make? How would you improve on this recipe? Add nuts to the top? Let me know in the comments below. And there you have it, the ultimate gluten-free pumpkin spice cake with a decadent Grand Marnier frosting. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more healthy and delicious treats. YouTube wants you to watch this video up here next, and so do I. Thank you.